So yeah, mine is so then.
Today the kids are finishing up their boats that they're building. My goal is that they kind of learn a little bit more about Archimedes' principle and the laws of flotation and buoyancy.
We're trying to balance out the weight by putting more stuff in the front because the person that's sitting in the front is lighter and then the person sitting in the back is heavier.
We went over boat design and hull design and that they take a little bit of that and kind of inspired them to build their boats.
We're gonna race them at the YMCA. I hope it does not sink.
It's a lot more fun for the kids when their boat sinks, but we do want it to float for a little bit. It was our third annual Cardboard Boat Regatta. The kids came out, we talked in class of the week about Archimedes' principle, the laws of flotation, buoyancy, and that kind of stuff. And then we also talked about boat design a little bit. And when we were building them, I was kind of giving them little tips here and there. Some of them listened, some of them didn't. But they all figured out that buoyancy and surface area is a huge factor in that.
It's really fun. You should try out a new camp or try a camp that you might like.
The mission of the summer camps at LISD is to get kids involved in career camps or let them kind of learn a little bit about different careers.
We mostly learned about teamwork, buoyancy, and how to build a boat.
It just inspires them and gets them thinking and using their imagination.